Hey, I'm Kathleen the Clean Queen. Here with some quick tips from ZIPS. Out to eat and you spill something on your shirt? Here are 3 things you need to know. Number 1, blot, don't rub. Use an absorbent napkin to gently blot as much of the stain off the fabric as possible. I repeat, do not rub. Many fibers are actually weaker when they're wet, and rubbing them can cause damage. Number 2, we all love Google, but don't try everything you find online. There are so many home remedies for stain removal. Vodka, lemon juice, orange extract, salt. Sounds more like you're making a cocktail. Some of them can also cause color loss or damage to your garment. Just blot it and leave it alone. Get it to the cleaners, stat. Number 3, when you get to the cleaners, come clean. See what I did there? And tell them what it is for real. Knowing what it is helps us know how to remove it and which of our special solutions to use. And by the way, we know that salad dressing stain is really grease from last Saturday's cheesesteak, but we'll keep that between us. Click like and subscribe to get more tips from ZIPS, and to look your best for less, get to ZIPS quick.